So we are here at the Nep Cafe in Orange County. Searching for the whole side of the building, I do not see any signs. There is no store signs or the store name on top. It's so weird, but they are freaking packed. We've been on the waiting list for like the last hour and a half. Yay. We're in. I got it. All right, so we are inside. Pretty cool concept in here. This is more like a modern Vietnamese restaurant, not like your traditional Vietnamese restaurant. It's like a Vietnamese modern brunch. So I think this is their new place. They used to be smaller, but of course it got popular, so they upgraded. We have an open kitchen concept in here, which is very cool. All right, all our food is here. Let's try our coffee first. This is called Cafe. It's Vietnamese coffee. It's like really thick egg fluff on top. You got that creamy egg on top with that sweet hot coffee on the bottom. Of course, you get a choice of either hot or cold. I think I prefer hot, especially with this cold weather in December. So we got this is the dough. Basically, it's bread and like this cream sauce. So this cream sauce, a little bit of salt on the side. What's this cream sauce here? Oh, there's egg on the bottom though. Oh look, there's a raw egg on the bottom. Let's taste the sauce first. It's like a creamy garlic butter with egg sauce. It's not sweet. It's a salty, creamy garlic butter foam. Toasted bread, just regular. Is this a sourdough bread or something? You get some egg on it. There we go. Got some egg on it. It's a sourdough bread. It's like a garlic cheese dipping bread with egg.
Really good.
This is not a traditional Vietnamese thing, but they kind of incorporated it like a French Vietnamese thing. All right, next up is the Cajun pork chow. This is by far not a Vietnamese dish at all. Look at this shit. Fried pork cheeks with spicy Cajun spice and spicy mayonnaise. Can't really taste the basil though. It's still really good, but definitely this is not a Vietnamese dish. All right, next is the bò nè. In Vietnamese is bò nè. So this is on a hot cast iron plate with, of course, toasted bread on the side. So what did they call this on the menu? They call this bánh mì chảo. Beef steak with some tomatoes, some chả lụa, which is a pork loaf. I'm not sure what kind of beef this is yet. Probably filet mignon cut, and 2 eggs. Very saucy thing. It comes with beef, but you get a choice of either pork chow or beef. And then, of course, you have your choice of adding this glazed bone marrow here. Instead of using butter for your bread, you use bone marrow, beef bone marrow. All right. Wow. This is a really fatty, creamy sauce. Put some of this sauce in it. Yeah. There we go. Just eat this by itself first. Damn. This is the first time I eat bone marrow like this. Oh yeah. It's like eating butter. But a very bold butter. Like, instead of using butter for your bread, you use bone marrow. Beef bone marrow. Bam. Alright, let's see what's really on this plate. There actually is butter on the bottom, which I didn't see. It's under the beef and stuff. Like this, then you use this, you grab the beef. Yeah. It's the filet mignon beef cut. Very tender. You got this medium rare, so. Oh yeah. This sauce is really good. It's not too salty. It's like from the beef. Some sort of like oyster creamy sauce. Like in Vietnam, they have this sort of like tomato sauce on the platter too. But here there's no like tomato sauce. They use real like, I think these are cherry tomatoes. Complements really well with the dish. Like a more fresh tomatoey taste.
So overall, the wait was well worth it. They have some really interesting dish that I really want to come back next time and try out. Dish like uni toast and beef tongue fried rice. You got the bone marrow pasta. And of course their desserts and drinks look really good too. I'm definitely looking forward to coming back to Nep Cafe for another fantastic meal. Well, thank you my travel and foodie fanatics for tuning in. And until next time, be sure to catch me in the next video. Peace.